So we're looking here to the Bitcoin price. What's the last status? Yesterday I made a video, yeah, in which I draw this uptrend, yeah. And in this case, the price of Bitcoin is going here to the downside, yeah. Um, Bitcoin video is then finished, yeah, and after the upload, many of the subscriber wrote to me, yeah, okay, the uptrend is broke, yeah, you have to update and make a new video. If you're asking me, I have to not make an update video because the uptrend is not broke. That what I show you in here in this Bitcoin video is a quick analyze. Yeah, so I make this and make uptrend. Yeah, so if you take this exactly and say, okay, let's look at exactly to this levels, then you can see the uptrend is still valid. Yeah. Um, I'm wondering why the people so excited, yeah. So why they get a cold feet, yeah. If they see a drop from 1,000 points. If the prices drop like this, from 21,000 to 15,000, this is for me a drop. But if we make here the last shake out, then the price is going $1,000 to the downside. Who cares? Yeah, so let's look here to the overview. I think we have here a wonderful hammer, and the price will go here to the upside. So this is the last manipulation from the whales, so it will not take so long. We have a good base here, especially if you look here to these levels. We have a good support. What possible is that they um, put the price, yeah, or push the price a little bit lower to these levels, yeah. Then the price is out of range, yeah. But even here, this is not bad. This is only a manipulation, yeah. So if the price drops to 21,400 levels, uh, don't get here panic. Yeah, I also mentioned this drop in my previous video in which I said to you the price could fall, especially in levels of 21,800, 21,700. So I'm not understanding these people. If I predict that the price will go here to the upside, if we make a last retest, then they say, okay, you are wrong. No. So um, that's a little bit we're not fighting here in these levels. This is not interesting. You have to look and watch to the whole structure, and in these levels we have huge positive. Yeah. So I'm not caring about this short-term fall from $1,000 to the downside. It's not so interesting if you know what happens here. Yeah. What happens here? What happens here? So this is only a retest in my eyes, and the price of Bitcoin will fly. So this is clear. This is not a prediction. This is clear. The price of Bitcoin will fly. The reasons are different. Yeah, one info in which we can see this, and also, how can I say, uh, if you look exactly, yeah, then you can see we're sitting here on this line. Yeah. We have also another indicator. This is one of them that we say, okay, we have here uptrend. But let me look here. If you look to these levels, then you can see we had here the last shakeout to the downside. Um, of course, we could get this here. Look here, yeah, that the price drops to these levels. Then we have here a finish of this pattern. It's a little bit danger, yeah, if we going here to these levels because the altcoins will get here sell off. But this is not in my focus. I think we have the possibility to go here from these levels, yeah. But if this is happening, don't get here cold feet because you can see we have here a retest, retest, and here a retest. So prepare yourself that the price could fall here $700 to the upside, downside. So we're looking here more inside, yeah. Um, in my eyes, this should not happen, but I know the whales, they manipulate, yeah. So they could take the price from here to here. Let me look here more inside. So if we zoom into the 1 minute chart, you see at the moment it seems we have more uptrend than downtrend, because you see we are already test here some levels. Look here, if you adjust a little bit, then you can see Bitcoin test here 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So this is a sign for us, okay, the price will go up. But I said to you also direct, the price could go here to the downside, a little bit manipulated. Then the price, if we come back here in these levels or go from this point directly, then we will see this formation. Yeah. And this is ultra bullish, because if we get this pattern, then the condition is fulfilled for a breakout, then we will see here very, very high levels, especially if we break here the neckline, yeah, the price will fly. So I'm here a little bit relaxed about this. Let me look of the Bitcoin price. If we're looking here to the whole structure, yeah, you can see this is only a pre-step. What happens here? If we can break this, then we have a lot of massive movement to the upside. Yeah, you can see the gap here between 50,000 and 20,000, and this will go very quick to the upside. Yeah, so let me look. I hope we can break here some key levels, so that I can predict here higher levels. So at the moment we have to break here the 25,000, then higher levels are possible. Yeah. If we zoom here in, this is a typical ending formation. That means you can see this here from this formation here, yeah, and we coming to the end. That means the price will fly. Maybe I shake out to 21,300 levels, but in general we can say the price is hot. The price will fly, especially if we're going here to 23,000 back. Then we have a wonderful pattern. The price will break out. And the price will go really hard to the upside. Have a nice day.